What's going on, vloggers, bloggers, and everyday toilet users? We're going to be making ghetto French onion soup. Either way, so I got these guys, and I get like a mount. Let me cut these guys open. But we're gonna be doing this in like things. But well, goddamn! Apparently, it's thunderstorming outside. If I didn't know, yeah, we didn't tear the bottom of this bread out. And the cats are like really into that thunderstorm. With you. Back to what we were saying. I'm not gonna try to like explode this, like make it too long and stuff like that. So we got one of our basic breads right here. Like I said, this is ghetto. It's not like Gruyere cheese and other expensive shit. Blah 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 blah. You know, but we're gonna make do with what we got, and it's gonna be great. So, other than that, enjoy the rain noises with me here. I'm gonna stick this. No, maybe it's. I need a camera mount. So yeah. So I know I haven't updated to the vlog in a while. I've been going through a lot of shit. You know, still working for Amazon and everything like that. Mom got the COVID-19. Recovering from the COVID. Well, actually, I already recovered from the COVID-19 and everything like that. And then, you know, I mean, like, so much has actually honestly happened. Other than just that itself. Oh, shit. Let's put from the bottom. Nah, it'll be fine. As long as we, like, drench the bottom in cheese, it should make, like a yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Save these, because we're gonna chop those guys up. You know. But yeah, Mom got the COVID-19. Shit happened. Even from the last time that I actually even like updated it, like I was actually in Bloomington again delivering. I got T-boned. I mean, it was insanity. I had to go through this whole entire thing where I had to take this fucking drug test, and I mean, like literally, I had to get up at 5:45 o'clock in the 5:45 in the morning and go take this drug test, and then on top of that, still had to go to a route and everything like that. I mean, like it was absolute insanity. I fucked this whole entire thing up, so we'll just throw this one to the side. I was talking too much. But yeah, no, I went and did that whole entire route. I mean, passed drug test. I mean, like, I don't really smoke weed like that. I mean, like, I do, like, occasionally, but, like, not a big fan. But yeah, like I was saying, I can't even remember what I was originally talking about, but it's just been like, I mean, I go through shit on a daily basis, and I don't care. I gotta sit here and whine about it. My mom getting COVID-19, you know, getting T-boned, getting drug test, you know, anybody goes through the shit in their life, and they just go with it, you know, whatever. But I do not care, because I choose to live my life one day at a time, which is what everybody should do when it comes down to it. So basically, after we kind of like cut our ish bread bowls, kind of guys. Oh, well, it should be fine. Don't worry. We're gonna drench them in cheese, so it doesn't even matter. Kind of tear out a little bit of the shits. I haven't even been preheating the oven. And this sucks. I think we're gonna have to make this a part 1, you know, because kind of fucked up. Yeah, we're probably just gonna make this a part 1 because we're reaching about 6 minutes anyways. But either way, I'll update all the things that have happened and everything like that. But still, nonetheless, stay tuned. It's still a kitchen edition. We're still gonna make this ghetto ass fucking French onion stuff, and it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned.